Welcome to the Weather Center. As we get to the end of yet another work week, the weather is showing signs of getting increasingly wet today and over the coming weekend. In the meantime, here's how Friday is going to look like. Isolated thunder showers and rain showers are forecast across much of South Africa. It's going to be dry over the eastern parts of the Free State, across Gauteng and much of Limpopo, and along the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. Overnight, we are going to see this cold front hitting the southwestern parts of the country, introducing rainy weather into those parts of South Africa. Now, we are expecting just a 40% chance of rain and thunder showers this Friday across the bulk of the country and over the Mpumalanga Highveld areas. Just a 20% chance of precipitation is forecast over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to be pretty hot this afternoon across the western interior, with temperatures lying in the mid to upper 30s from Kimberley down into DR, as well as Graafrenet, a high of 35 for Upington. The mother city will peak at 30 degrees. Similar temperatures are forecast for Port Elizabeth and East London, slightly warmer as we go towards Bishop. A high of 30 is also forecast for Durban. Temperatures in the lower 30s as well for Mbombela and Polokwane. Pretoria will peak at 29, the same for Mahikeng, and a high of 27 is forecast for Johannesburg. For those hoping to head out to the waters early this Friday, it looks like we have poor beach conditions in store for you along the west coast. It's going to be cloudy and wet here throughout your Friday, with a northwesterly breeze expected throughout the day. Northwesterlies are also forecast around the Cape Peninsula, and favorable beach conditions are also expected here thanks to the wet weather. The wet weather spreads into Hermanus and Cape Agulhas later on in the day, so beach conditions are going to stay fairly favorable. Along the south coast, we are also expecting fairly favorable beach conditions. A southwesterly breeze for Muscle Bay and Plettenberg Bay. The airflow tends to an easterly to southeasterly direction as we go towards Port Elizabeth and Jeffreys Bay. 2.5 meter swells are forecast off the south coast. Along the east coast, we are expecting great beach conditions around Richards Bay, Durban and the Wild Coast, where northeasterly winds are expected throughout your Friday.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com